Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing part right here in my hand. If you guys can see, it is a radio alarm clock that you can use to listen to radio, obviously. You guys can use it as an alarm clock, you guys can use it as a clock. There's so many different functionality that you can use on here, but first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what comes out the package first. So when we first open the product itself, you guys can see that there's the actual product itself inside, you guys can see. So here we have the product, but let's put it on one side first. So in this little container right here, they provide you some cables. So they provide you a USB to micro USB cable to activate the product. They provide you a little wall adapter so you can actually plug it into the product itself to activate it. So here is what it looks like, you guys can see. US plug right there, and then this is a USB. And then the last and final thing they provide you in the package itself is the actual user manual on how to set up a product and how to use it, and all the different functionality that's on this alarm clock itself. And that's basically everything that comes with the package itself. So now let me show you guys the actual product itself. So basically here is what the product looks like, if you can see. So if you look at the back side, there's two USB slots, and these are two USB slots where you can actually plug it into a different plug to actually charge your devices or whatnot, or activate different products if you guys want to. You guys can see right here, there's different buttons right here. So one is a C and F, and that's how you guys check your Celsius or Fahrenheit temperatures. You can actually change that option on here, which is pretty awesome. You guys have a 12 and 24, and this is how you guys change the hour setting or the time setting if you guys want it to be 12-hour time or 24-hour time, depending on how you guys want to see your times and whatnot. If you guys can see right here, there's a micro USB slot, and that is where you actually do plug it in to activate it. Right here we have an aux output, so you guys actually listen to your audio on the headphone. You guys can as well. Right here we have a volume control, so you guys can actually control the volume setting on the actual device itself. And if you guys want to control it for like the radio on here, we can do the same thing on here as well. So obviously, since this is an alarm clock and also is a radio station, then it has a speaker, and this is where the output will come out of from when you guys actually use the product. So let's plug in our micro USB cable onto the product first. So basically when we plug in the product, you can see that this is what it looks like. It's hard to show you guys on the camera itself unless I tilt it sideways, but you guys can see that there's a time option on here. On the top right corner, it has a AM option, so it's actually show you guys when it's AM or PM. There is a Celsius or Fahrenheit option on the bottom, if you can see right there. And you guys remember how I showed you guys in the back slide, you guys click the button on the Celsius or Fahrenheit button, you guys can actually change it on the settings. So if I click it right now, you guys can see that change to Fahrenheit. So right there, now it's showing 63 degrees. If you want to change the time, just click the 24 or 12 option, and it changes to the 24 or 12 option. And you guys can see that there's two off things right here, and pretty much what that is means the alarm. So if you guys don't have it on, they won't show the alarm. So right now it doesn't have it on. You guys can control all of that on here. On the top, you guys can see there's a snooze button right here. You just want to click the snooze. There's a radio station option right here, and the radio station is only FM radio, not AM radio, if you guys are wondering. There's two settings right here. You guys can actually control like the alarm. So you guys want to use first alarm, second alarm, depending on what you guys want to do. You guys can do that on here. And then probably one of the coolest thing about this alarm itself is the fact that when you guys use this product, you guys can actually use a cable to activate it, or you can actually use a battery option to power it up. So basically how you guys use the battery option is on the bottom. You guys open this little part right here. You guys have to use 3 of these AAA batteries, if you can see right there. And then obviously if it's a radio station, you would need like a little antenna. So they do have a smaller antenna to use to fix like the signal and whatnot on the product. So that's basically everything on the product itself. Let me turn on the radio station to kind of let you guys hear what it sounds like and how to kind of use it. So you guys want to turn on the radio station right here. And you can hear the audio coming from the back side. So basically all you have to do is controlling the option right here by turning this little knob. So the radio station quality is not bad. If you guys listen to the audio, it's actually pretty good. So when you guys first get the product, obviously the time is not correct, so you guys have to adjust it yourself, and you probably want to know how to adjust it. So basically you want to hold this button right here on the top, hold it down. You guys can see this part blinking like this, and then you guys want to use this knob right here to adjust the time to your correct time. So let's just say that's the correct time. So you guys want to click this button right here, and it goes to the next one. You guys can adjust that one as well to the correct time for that frame. And then once you're done with that, just click the same thing right here, and then you're basically done. If you want to change the alarm, just click on the alarm buttons, and it'll actually let you guys set the alarm for each one, if you guys can see. I definitely like the option of the USB option to charge your devices. So let's say if your alarm is right next to you, you guys want to charge a smartphone or some kind of like devices, you guys have this USB option to kind of charge it. And if you guys are wondering how fast does each one of the USB charges, it tells you in the back side right here, if you guys can see. So the top one is USB 1A, so it charges at the rate of 1A. The bottom one is USB 2A, so actually you'll charge it at the 2A speed. So this one will probably be faster than this one, so if you guys would want to use this one to charge your phone, if you guys want to charge it a little bit faster, but if you guys don't mind, you guys can use either one. So let me actually show you guys a quick test of when it actually works and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so we're going to test out the USB right now to show you guys when it actually works or not. So first one we have right here is my old clock. If you guys can see right here, we're going to plug in the USB to see when it actually works or not. So we're going to use the 1A for this one. So we turn to the back side, we're going to plug into the top one, which is the 1A right here. Alright, so you can see that it is powering up my device, so that one does work. Let's try out the other one, which is the 2A, and see when that actually works as well. And for the 2A, we're going to charge our little power bank or hand warmer right here, if you can see. Alright, so as you can see that the second one is plugged in as well. As you can see, the indicator light on my hand warmer itself is also working as well. This product is also working as well, so that's pretty awesome. So it does work when you guys use the USB option, which is pretty amazing. Probably not ideal to charge your laptop or whatever, but small devices like your smartphone, your hand warmers, clocks, whatnot, you guys can definitely use it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the USB, you guys can see that it does work. It actually works quite well. Really easy to use, really simple to use. Definitely a cool feature about this product is the fact that for this product itself, it has 7 different sounds for the alarms that you guys can choose from if you guys want to. And then the last thing that I want to mention to you guys about this product is the snooze button. So if you guys click on the snooze button, you guys can control how bright the brightness is on the product. You guys can see that it gets dimmer. So you can see it gets really bright. So the snooze button, all you have to do is just keep pressing until you guys like the correct brightness, and you guys can actually just keep it at that brightness. So now that we did the unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is really worth it if you guys need one or want one, especially of what this can do. So it's like a radio, alarm clock, a regular clock, a temperature, USB charging. Like honestly, this is a really amazing product overall to have in the office or at home, especially in your bedroom, to kind of keep track of the time and everything, which is pretty amazing. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that'll be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have